Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. One of my shorts got over 1,000 views in the first 9 hours. And if these things work for me, I know they will work for you. Let me know in the comment section if you're making shorts for your channel. Next level hack that I've used to get my views up, to make sure that you have shorts that loop. Make sure your shorts are looping. You can get more watch time. If there's a way you can get your short to make a loop without people really knowing about it, maybe they'll watch it twice. As a matter of fact, I'll show you one of my shorts that loops. Check out how it loops on it. Just like that. See how it comes back? Just like that. So you see how it comes back? It comes back right on the note. You can do it just like that. So see if there's a way that you can get your shorts to loop on the low without them even knowing about it. That way they can watch it over and over, get the watch time you need. A lot of you watching this right now, you may not have decided if this thing is for you or not. I want to share this video with you right here, my 5 top reasons to be a content creator right here on YouTube. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching and subscribing, becoming a part of the family. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.